Eye Repair, also from Skin Sanity. So Derm One Health and Wellness is the company that makes this product. This is an eye cream that you can use on your face morning and evening for best results. So that is that whole area right here, your under eye, which is the thinnest part, the thinnest skin on your face, and super important to stay hydrated. This has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, so two things that are great to help your skin retain moisture. So that's going to prevent puffiness, it's going to prevent those dark circles. This product you want to use morning and evening after you wash your face. Just a tiny little pump is all you need. Massage in. Another tip whenever you're using eye cream is to try to use your ring finger or your pinky, not your pointer finger, just because it's a little bit lighter. So just rub it in. Sometimes I even love to go over with my jade roller after and kind of give my face a nice little massage. But eye cream is super important whether you're young or you're old, whether you have dark circles or not. I mean, skincare is really all about prevention. So products like this will keep your skin hydrated and looking great, so you don't ever have to get to the point where you need something more intensive to kind of help you heal dark circles or thinning skin under your eyes. So again, this is that Ageless Eye Repair from Skin Sanity. Super important to add to your daily routine morning and evening. Some other great things about this company is that they are gluten-free, their products. They're not tested on animals, they're free from carcinogenics, there's no toxic substances. Literally, most of the ingredients here are all organic. You can see on the little ingredient list, those ones with asterisks, all organic. And yeah, so after cleansing your face, apply this little cream under your eye and let the results speak for themselves.